Wendy is 3 years older than I am. She's a lovely painter. She's a wonderful artist. She's also a nurse, and she has 3 children that all are overachievers. All in all, she's a pretty amazing woman. For the first 17 years of her life, she struggled with being an asshole. And this song is just specifically about the first 17 years. So she's lovely now. Big sister's got a light of love. Big sister, big shadow. Yeah, she's got the kind of shade that makes me afraid. Big sister, big shadow. Big sister's telling lies again. Big sister, big secret. Yeah, I'm scared of her so I won't tell a soul. Big sister, big secret. Yeah, she's daddy's girl, the one that made him sigh. And nice pretty things sparkle in his eye. And just about time these things lost their dignity. But only she could be daddy's girl, and I was the one who should have been daddy's son. Well, big sister gets her first steps. Big sister learns to run. Big sister gets to daddy's knee before me. Big sister's no fun. Now I'm just playing the things that she's laid out. I'm learning things that she's known about. One step on, one step too slow. I can't keep up, and she won't wait up. She's daddy's girl, and I was the woman who should have been daddy's son. And big sister gets new clothes. Big sister, big shadow. Big sister never wants me around. She don't care where I go. Big sister gets to first base. Big sister, big tramp. Big sister's wearing makeup on her face. Don't give a damn that I can't. Oh, big sister's telling lies again. Big sister, big secret. Yeah, I'm scared of her so I want you to know. Big sister, big shadow. Yeah, she's got the kind of shade that makes me afraid.